Here's our new, affordable, low-footprint, universal touchpoint, the FlexBox. For passengers, it replaces traditional kiosks, and for agents, it replaces traditional desks. It's smart, compact, and incredibly easy to use. Passengers can quickly link their airline app to the FlexBox and print out a boarding pass or bag tag in seconds. Or they can simply use the FlexBox in print-and-go mode, scanning their mobile boarding pass to print the bag tag. Agents can use the FlexBox to help passengers with check-in, assisted tagging, or boarding. The FlexBox can be used anywhere, on or off airport. It just needs power and a Wi-Fi connection. It can be quickly and easily combined with a weight scale for printing active bag tags or an OCR reader for passenger or ID verification. SITA FlexBoxes are simple, affordable, and flexible. And they're here now, helping you simplify your airport, cut costs, and improve passenger processing. It's a small revolution. A revolution the size of a shoebox. Contact SITA for further information.